Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Nuova Simonelli Musica espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the board. Sadly, it was not holding programming and it was doing some other issues, plus it also burned from here. It's kind of hard to see it, but these old components are bad. Sadly, we had to replace the entire board. And once we had the board, we also had to replace the fuse of the heating element. Last time it was here, the machine got a two-way valve fuse and a two-way valve and a fuse, and that's what we did. We also did some insulation on the upper circulation valve. So starting with one double shot of espresso, we're gonna be calibrating that double shot. I'm gonna show you how to as well. We're using our distributor. Okay, and now that we have our portafilter ready, we're gonna press this button for 5 seconds. Once you have everything like that flashing, you can now calibrate the single or the double shot. We're gonna be calibrating the double shot with 2 ounces of coffee. We don't have water. We have no water. Okay, now with water in the tank, we can now calibrate it. The machine is going to do some pre-infusion and some other things, and then it's going to do the extraction as we see right there. Now we're using a grinder that is right there on the corner. We have our test coffee in there. So I'm going to wait for at least 2 ounces of espresso, which should be around there. I'm going to stop it right now. Perfect. And put this shot to the side, and then we compare after we save it. In order to save the setting, you have to hit this once. That saves the setting, and then you are good to go. Now let's pull a shot once again. Okay, and now we are portafilter prepared again. There you go. We can now do another shot of espresso now with the now newly calibrated double shot button. Make sure it's in the right position. We don't want any leaks coming out from here. Then we can push again the button and have a nice extraction. The machine is going to do pre-infusion by itself, and then it's going to finish with the shot with the same level of that we just programmed. If you would like to program the single shot as well, you will have to do the same. Just hold this for a couple of seconds, 5 seconds to be precise. Once these flash, then you can just hit this one and you can calibrate it to the volume that you want. There you go, 2 ounces of espresso. Definitely remembering the timers and the volumes of the shots. Steam coming out from this machine, amazing, great pressure. And hot water, very nice steady stream coming out from the hot water one. And as you know, the machine is definitely hot, so it's definitely hot water coming out from the water. So there you have it, Nuova Simonelli Musica working once again, calibrated and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.